Super morning, everyone. If you are someone who is suffering from overthinking, let me tell you that that is something that majority of the world is suffering as well. Now, what has happened is because of IT interventions, and you can say technical interventions with their swiping mechanisms and all that, we are not able to focus more on what we really want to achieve. And if something hits us, if something like we are not able to achieve something, and that makes us overthink, that puts us into fear, that makes us doubt ourselves, and the entire whole cycle of doubting ourselves, getting anxious, scared of many things, all these things start. So what do I want to say? I'm not a psychologist, I'm not a guru. Just wanted to tell you that from my life, what I realized is that just like this fog that you see all around, though it looks beautiful, but it does block the necessary things. For example, the sun, the clear blue sky, the good air, and things like that. So just like this fog is there, that doesn't mean that the blue sky and the sun are not there. They're always there. Similarly, in your life, there is always positivity present every single day, every single moment. The clarity is always present. But because of the current overthinking or the fog, you're not able to see that. So what do you need? You need wind. You need wind which can let the fog settle. Okay? So what is that wind? That wind, and hear me clearly, what I learned from my experience in life is that wind is your purpose. That wind is your goal. So you need to replace your excuses with execution. Now, excuses are like blaming, the situation, the people, the relationship, the circumstances and whatnot. So what we need to do is we need to replace the excuses with our execution. Start working towards your goal. Start working towards your purpose. Start reminding yourself about the goals that you have, and that is how it will make the fog go away. That is how your overthinking will go away. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, type useful in the chat box. And the reason why, not being a psychiatric or not being a psychologist consultant, I'm still saying this and sharing this gyan with you is because I'm a communication skills specialist, and I believe and I know this is that mindset has a lot to do with clarity of communication. If your mindset is coming out of overthinking, it's coming out of unstructured thought process, then you will lose a lot of clarity in your speech. You will not be able to deliver something powerful. When you speak something, you will be all over the place, you won't be structured, and many other things will start happening. So that is the reason why I was sharing this with you, because I have personally gone through such days, and I always reminded myself of the purpose, the goals. That was the wind to settle the fog. I hope you will learn something. If it did help you, type TWS, time well spent, in the chat box, in the comments, and do like, subscribe, and don't forget to check the link below this video so that you can join our community to start your excellent communication skills journey. See you in the next one.